This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To enable or disable autoplay, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see your little profile picture up here. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy. Settings and Privacy. Click on that. And from here, you want to go up to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left-hand side here, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the Preferences area. And right in here, Media. You want to click on Media. Then in the center pane, right here, Autoplay Videos. It should be set by default, it'll be set to default. You want to click on Default. Another little dialog box opens up here. As you can see, default is toggled on, but you can turn on autoplay for videos, or you can turn it off by toggling it right here. That is how to enable or disable autoplay in Facebook. Thanks for watching.